Good morning guys. So welcome to our first vlog sa ating BMW or ating car modification channel. And ito yung ating BMW, no. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa I&I Auto Mods para palitan yung ating steering wheel. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, no. So our BMW is, I think, magwa 1 year na rin, and maayos na yung steering wheel natin, no. Full wrap leather naman siya. Pero gusto ko lang palitan ng yung aftermarket na steering wheel na Alcantara fabric yung dito, and then carbon yung dito, but we will still retain yung kanyang mga buttons dito and yung kanyang silver dito. Yung silver kasi niya dito, if papalitan ng kanyang parang carbon, is medyo mahal na. So after we buy the steering wheel wrap dito na carbon and Alcantara, ito naman yung papalitan natin, no. Kung makikita nyo, plastic to na silver, and gusto ko to palitan ng carbon na clickable, no. So I think katulad ng mga nakikita nyo sa mga Porsche GT3, GT3 RS na clickable yung kanyang, or maganda yung tunog ng kanyang paddle shifters, no. So ito yung next project natin, but for now pupunta tayo sa I&I para mag-order or magbayad nung kanyang steering wheel, kasi I think meron itong 30 to 60 days, or I think 30 days para dumating dito, kasi orderin pa rin nila to internationally. So far, yun yung unang gagawin natin dito sa ating BMW G42, but share ko na sa inyo yung nabili ko sa Lazada Racing, which is yung red button dito na start, stop, no. I think this is only 400 pesos or 500 pesos. Mura na siya guys, and madali lang siyang tanggalin, pero tinago ko pa rin yung stock ko para pag nagsawa ko sa red button, pwede kong ibalik yung original. But kung makikita nyo dito, ang ganda nung pagkaano niya, no? Parang racing yung dating ng kanyang start button. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako pumunta sa I&I Mods, and medyo matagal yung biyahe ngayon kasi galing pa tayo from Parañaque going to Quezon City. So let's go.
I'll show you the
This is the GT3 RS. GT3 Mantai.
Mantai. So you want to try out the
Wow, so nice.
So these are the paddle shifters.
Si PJ Hunt ko na nakikita yung Mantai concept, ah.
Yeah, we just
nice.
built it this year. Took us 2.5 years to wait for the parts.
Nice.
Come over, try the paddle shifters. That's the one I was telling you about.
Oh yeah.
Diba? You have that sound, that haptic.
Kasi habang nandito na, di ba?
Yeah, we can install it now. And then these are the wheels we carry. This is BC Forge.
Okay.
But then,
X na si HRE for
For
sure.
M240i kasi, for the MG42 kasi, it's nicer na your spec.
Yeah.
You spec your wheel because hindi masyadong forgiving ang G42. You guys have a very tight wheel well.
Pero yung likod mas malaki pa rin.
Yes.
Okay.
So like this one, this is the M240i with the 20s. With an exhaust. Like, 20s are really beautiful.
Yeah, oo, no. Low profile yung
Yeah. This is BC Forged.
Ako, tsaka baka mahirapan
No,
ako sa
as long as we do like Michelin tires and all.
For
honestly,
pilot.
the ride is very.
Okay.
Like,
Even though
you can actually let it pass. It's not that night and day difference. Like doing 20s.
Okay na to.
We really just we want it unique. We do this out of better, no?
Yeah, better.
Layo, no?
Ang layo. So guys, nabudol na naman tayo, no. So yung plano natin bilhin na steering wheel sa I&I Mods is nabili naman natin, pero may waiting period yan na 4 to 6 weeks kasi nga customize siya. Pero nabudol na naman tayo guys, no. So may in-offer sa atin si Ivan na paddle shifter upgrade sa ating G42 na series. So ito yung itsura niyan guys. Carbon yan. Carbon siya, and sabi aluminum and carbon daw yung gamit dito, kaya magaan lang siya. So parang Porsche GT3 yung style niya, no. So since wala naman tayong pambili ng Porsche, upgrade na lang natin yung paddle shifters niya. So yan yung itsura niyan guys. May mechanism yan Kaya maganda yung tunog niyan. So may tunog kasi to guys, no? Well, hindi naman siya yung tunog na tunog talaga, but parang medyo racing yung feel ng pagtunog niya every time na gagamitin mo yung paddle shifter. So ito yung tunog niyan, diba? So pag pinress ko yan, so may tunog siya guys na racing yung feel. Feeling ko naman mag-enjoy naman ako gamit tong paddle shifters na to. I believe konti na lang yung stock nila since maraming nag-order nito dahil magandang upgrade siya kasabay ng steering wheel natin. So if you are planning to upgrade your paddle shifters as well ng ganitong klase na may racing feels na tunog and carbon na din, I recommend you go to I&I Mods. Lalagay ko yung kanilang Facebook page dito para mapuntahan nyo and look for Ivan. Iga-guide niya kayo and tutulungan niya kayo kung anong mods yung kailangan nyo para sa kotse nyo. So this ends our first vlog dito sa car channel natin. Guys, if you like this video or kung may masasuggest pa kayo, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.